Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, that is Neha's Corner, and today I'm going to review a shampoo, Biotic Neem Margosa Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. So this is the shampoo, Biotic Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. So let's talk about its pricing. So this is the shampoo, this pricing is 170 rupees for 200 ml of product. So let's talk about its claims, what it claims. So the refreshing formula eliminates the dryness, flaking and itching associated with dandruff. Special pH balance formula is gentle enough for use every day. So this is the shampoo that will eliminate your dryness, itchiness of the scalp, and it removes dandruff, and this is gentle for daily use. So that claims the कंपनी बायोटिक वाले क्लेम करते हैं दैट ये आपके जो स्कैल्प है उसका इचीनेस ड्राइनेस कम करेगा एंड डैंड्रफ को भी कम करेगा, लेकिन मैं आपको आगे वीडियो में बताऊंगी कि अपने क्लेम पे कितना खरा उतरता है. So let's talk about its ingredients. The ingredients is gandhak element, neem bark, bringraj plant, रीठा fruit and lotion base. So जितने भी ingredients दिया गया है यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी मुझे chemical नहीं दिखा है. So I think it is chemical free, but how can be? So यहाँ पे लिखा गया है that is it is a Ayurvedic medicine and organically pure and preservatives free and dermatologist tested for safety and no animal testing. So बायोटिक वाले claim करते हैं कि इनका जो शैम्पू है ये ऑर्गेनिकली प्योर है, प्रिजर्वेटिव फ्री है एंड डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट टेस्टेड है एंड कोई भी एनिमल पे ये वाला जो शैम्पू ये टेस्ट नहीं किया गया है, जो कि अच्छी बात है. So let's talk about my experience about this shampoo. So anti-dandruff shampoo. So whenever I have used this shampoo, I have used this shampoo almost for 3 months, and this shampoo doesn't control my dandruff at all, not a little bit of dandruff. So I will not say to the people looking for a shampoo that control dandruff. So I will say that not go for it if you are looking for an anti-dandruff shampoo. But if you are looking for a shampoo that will be pure herbal and doesn't dry your hair, then you can go for it. But if you are looking for a shampoo that will control your dandruff, that will reduce your dandruff, then I will say not to go for it, because it doesn't control my dandruff at all. So that what I can say, that if you are looking for a pure herbal shampoo, you can go for it. But if you are looking forward for an anti-dandruff shampoo, then don't go for it. Yeah, that's all for today's video. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care, stay safe from corona and at all. Tata.